Once you've connected your QuickBooks account, you'll see your list of customers. You can click on a customer to see the invoicing setup screen. You have the option to manually process invoices or set them up for automatic invoicing on a certain day of the month. For our example, we'll manually process an invoice so we can see what it looks like in QuickBooks. With Hive, you'll be able to send time-tracked, timesheets, project budgets, other costs, and amount from specific action cards into QuickBooks as line items for your invoice. When you select time tracking or timesheets as a data source for your invoice, you also want to choose which projects to include, a date range for that time, any specific time categories, and how you'd like to group the data. Select Preview and Create to view a preview of your invoice. When you select Create Invoice, an invoice in QuickBooks will automatically populate. The line items will show as one row per grouping. Another option is Actions Complete. For this option, you'll select Actions Completed as the invoice type. This will require that you set up a number custom field for action cards where you would enter a rate or amount for that deliverable. This is a great option for invoicing against project milestones as they get finished rather than on a specific date. You'll also set a date range for actions completed, and any actions that were marked complete within that time will appear as a line item in your invoice. When you select project budgets or other costs, it's going to look at any budgets set up in your project overview and the bill date set on the budget. You'll also choose projects to include and a start and end date. Any bill dates or budgets that fall within that date range will be added as line items to your invoice. Lastly, if you want to automate your invoices to create a new invoice draft within QuickBooks on a specific day, you can simply toggle on automatic invoicing, choose your data sources, and let Hive do the rest.